Hello, this is Maxwell, and in this video I want to show you how to download course materials, Coursera course materials. This one is different from downloading Coursera lecture videos. I've already made a video on how to download Coursera lecture videos. It's very easy, but today I want to make a video on how to download Coursera course materials. So just open your browser, log into Coursera.org and sign in with your credentials. Assuming that this course, IT security, that's defense against the digital dark arts, this is what you want the lecture notes for. Well, you can start by maybe downloading a lecture notes before you start the whole course, or you will finish it before you download the lecture notes. In my case, this is what I want lecture notes for. I'll just click on it and then wait for it to load. If you have a powerful internet, this one should be very simple. Okay, I've already enrolled the course. I've completed it, so I'll just go to course. Okay, see, they are congratulating, I've completed the course. So I will just go over to week 1. It takes some time anyway. Okay, so week 1. Usually during the introduction of the course, after the introduction, the rest will be something that is not so useful. So I will just download the course introduction, which is important. Alright, so when you come here, this is where everybody is familiar with. Those of you who are learning on Coursera, you are familiar with this page. So this is the lecture notes that we learned how to download, and this is the transcript. This is the transcript. Now the transcript is actually your lecture notes. This is the lecture video which we have learned how to download. But when you scroll down, you will see the transcripts. This transcript is actually your course material or your lecture notes. So this is what we do. We want this. The whole course is about this. If you're able to understand these things, able to understand the concepts from this text, there are lots of them, it's easy to pass your course. So let's get them. Okay, so you see the download button, just click on it, and then you see lecture video. That's not what we want, because already we've learned how to download lecture videos. We want the transcript, and it is in the TXT format. So just click on it and then wait for it to download. Now take note of the topic. The topic was course introduction. Course introduction. Course introduction. So after naming it as course introduction, you click on save, and it will save it for you. Okay, now when it saves it, it means you are done with this topic. I don't mean you are done reading or watching. I mean you are done with the lecture notes of this topic. It saves in the text format. So this is a text format in Notepad. You know, you can go ahead and print it, but for me, I don't like it by this format, the format of this text. I'm not so comfortable. I want to make it something more appealing to read, so I will just copy everything and then move it to Word. So I am trying to launch my word processing application, and we wait for it. So this is the Word window. I just create a blank document. Okay, now you can paste it here. You can paste it, and I still don't see the ragged left or ragged right thing. I want to justify it so that it looks appealing. Now I want to give it a topic. The topic is lecture notes. Oh no, the topic is course introduction. Course introduction. Okay, so already you know that the course is actually IT security. So IT security. Let's make it, maybe I'll make it Google IT security. Google IT security. So there's it. So there's the course. There's the course introduction. I want to make it all caps and then bold it so that it will look nice. This is okay to me, but for you, if you think this is not formatted enough to appeal to reading, you can just break it into paragraph. But me, I don't have time for that. You can break it into paragraph, it will be nice. But me, I don't have time for that. All I need is just to read, right? Okay, so I have this course introduction, and then it takes about 2 pages. Yeah, it takes about 2 pages. Okay, then what I do is that I go to the next video. So here, navigating, and then program surveys, all these things are not important to me. The next thing that is important is CIA triad, malicious software. So this is where, aside the course introduction, this is where the whole thing continues from. You know, instead of downloading and then clicking on transcripts to English to download the thing to text format and going there to copy, and like we did the first time, you can simply select everything like this. Okay, like this, and then Ctrl+C on your keyboard will copy it. Then you open your word processor application. Here the topic is CIA triad, CIA triad. Enter, and here is where you have to paste. Now when you are pasting, you go to your clipboard at the home tab and then click on paste, the drop down arrow, and then you choose this one, keep text only. When you click on it, it will format it as it has formatted the first one. Or you can bold this one, and then you have your second topic. You go to the next. I'll do the last one. I know you've gotten it. So let's say essential security terms. This is also important to me. So I'll scroll down, I'll copy everything, and then Ctrl+C. The reason why we are using Ctrl+C is because if you right click on this one, it will not copy. So Ctrl+C, you open your word processor. This one is essential. The topic is essential security terms. So you format it, and then you bold it, enter, paste, use skip text only. You see it has bolded all these things. You can choose not to bold everything. This is just formatting, normal formatting. I'm sure you know your basics in Microsoft Word. If you don't know, I have a video on it that you can check it out. Okay. All right. So this is how you do it. You will take time. You take time to go through all the lectures. Now the questions, they are not so important, but if you want to copy the questions and add them, fine. Maybe fine. It's going to help you. So you can copy everything. This will take some time. After that, after you are done with everything, be saving your work. Let's say after copying everything here, you can choose to insert page numbers. You can, choose to continue to add more formatting to make the thing more appealing. All right. So after everything, and you have it, all you have to do is just click on File, go to Save As. If you have not saved the work already, choose Browse, and then you give it a title. Now the whole thing is actually IT security lecture notes. IT security lecture notes. IT security, but this one is from Google, so make it Google IT security. Google IT security lecture notes. Then you click on Save. Yep, now you have it. You can copy it onto your pen drive and go and print it. Then you have your lecture notes. You can design a nice cover for it. You click on any one of them. Let's say this one. So Google IT security, maybe the date was, you can choose to add it, you can choose not to add it. Maybe you want to make it 2019 or maybe 2021. We are in 2021, so this is 2021. And then is it January? No, we want to choose the whole date. Either you make it January or June, choose one. So let's say June. So you make it June. June, when did you complete? You can choose any time that you want. 2021, it's okay. Then, or you can choose you don't want any date, just get rid of this thing and it will go. And then the title of the document, you make it Google IT security. Let's make it lecture notes, right? So let's make it lecture notes. That's nice. So here you can add admin or whatever. You can choose not to add it. Or maybe you can add your name over there, company, or maybe you can choose to make this place Coursera. Maybe you can choose to make it Coursera. It all depends on how you want it, right? Coursera, maybe the address, you can make it coursera.org. Coursera.org. And then you can choose to delete it also. Maybe you want to make this one, maybe you can choose to bring your name, or maybe GHLA scholarship or something, because it depends, you are free to do whatever that you want because it is yours. That's it, you have it here, nice. And then you can go and print it. Okay, so let's say you save it, already you have saved it. Okay, so you can go to file and then print. This one will print it for you. It will print it for you, see. So this is how it looks like. You have your lecture notes ready for you. Right. I'm not going to print it right now because I have to complete it. Okay, so that is how to simply download a course material. I bet you are going to have it. Then they will bind it for you nicely. If you just go to any printing press, they will do it very nice for you. All right. I believe this video has helped you. You can drop your comments down, or if you have done something of that sort, you can also comment and let us see how you do it. You can just type. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.